it's Jenny from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to show you the Musotoku dual USB-C power supply. This elegant power supply features the same powerful core as all other Mustoku models, but incorporates two major improvements: USB-C charging and dual output capabilities. So, let's take a closer look. This is the first Musotoku power supply to utilize USB-C charging, making it compatible with 60-watt laptop batteries while delivering its full 5 amps of power. This allows you to take your tattooing off the grid, and while artists have been doing some wild things with this newfound freedom, it's more importantly a perfect solution for conventions and travel. This power supply is also the first Musotoku model to feature 2 individual machine outputs, each with their own memory preset, as well as a dedicated pedal output at the front of the pack. You can change your machine output easily by pressing the button on the top of the pack once. Finally, the Nitro Boost feature, which enables the Mustoku to give a little extra boost of energy when you first start your tattoo machine, has been improved and now works even better with brushless motors like in the Stigma Rotary Force. To activate the Nitro Boost for the first half second of operation, push the dial into the machine and navigate to the Nitro setting. This can be set independently for each machine output. Featuring the same power capabilities as the previous Mustoku models, this power pack has a mammoth voltage range of 2 to 16 volts, adjustable down to 0.1 volt increments, with that optional Nitro Boost to kickstart heavier machines and larger needle configurations. The power core at the heart of this Musotoku provides a clean and stable current, with no less than 3 overcurrent protection systems in place. If they identify a problem with the machine or the cable, it'll cut out instantly and throw up a warning message, potentially saving your expensive tattoo machine from an untimely death. It also has a special electronic sensor that aids in stability by filtering out micro interruptions from rusty or dirty contacts. This helps prevent power fluctuations or overheating, even over long periods. Your power supply and machine are also protected by the auto Powerof function, which kicks in after an hour without operation. This power supply has 3 different modes of operation to choose from. When you're using a pedal, standard mode will mean that the machine runs while the foot switch is being pressed and will stop when released. In continuous mode, a tap of the foot switch will turn power on and off. And in maintain mode, you'll work without a foot switch, simply pressing and holding the power button to start and stop. The dual USB-C Mustoku has the same compact body as all the other Mustoku models, a sleek 116 by 72 millimeters. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminium, which keeps the weight to a moderate 169 grams, and the interface is simple, with just 1 dial, 1 clear OLED screen, and 1 button which controls voltage and stores preferred settings. Don't forget to protect your power supply. These disposable covers fit perfectly. A rubber band at the back of the power supply helps to keep your power cable organized and out of the way. The frame is built so that it can be mounted onto the Musotoku magnetic stand, as well as GoPro attachments and other tripods which have a 1/4-inch screw. Made and assembled by hand in Madrid, the dual USB-C power supply from Mustoku is available to order from Killer Ink in black or burnt bronze. Just tap that link in the description below. So, what do you think of the newest Mustoku model? Will this change the way you work? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.